If I could describe the summit in one word, it would be celebratory. And what I mean by that is we're coming together to celebrate growth.
Just that EMS has been so good to us. We're very appreciative. It's when you have an institution that has a lot of different fires that might break out, that's one I never really have to worry about. It's nice that we have that type of support.
I've faithfully attended all in person and even the virtual one we had during the pandemic. Committing to the EMS Summits enhances not only my relationship with EMS, but our user base with EMS as well. We're able to take the knowledge that we learn from here, take our experiences that we hear from others, and bring that back to our home base and implement what we can to improve simulation overall.
The 2026 User Summit is really taking the work that we've done over the past year, what we've evangelized, we were doing in the 2025 Summit, and bringing that to reality. How does that benefit our customers? How does that benefit the clinicians in development, the learners, and how our products and services have been enhanced?
The summit is where ideas turn into action and connections turn to solutions. Together, we're not just advancing simulation, we're transforming training, education, and patient outcomes. My favorite part of the summit is getting all of the customers together where they share ideas, network with each other, and find solutions to their problems.